In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of the Temu app by adding free items to your cart through their unique promotions. If you're new to Temu or just looking for tips on snagging the best deals, you'll definitely want to stick around. Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, you'll need to open the Temu app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it easily on the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play for Android devices. Once you've got the app installed, simply log into your account. If you're new to Temu, signing up is quick and straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready in no time. Now that you're logged in, it's time to add items to your cart. Begin by browsing through the wide variety of products available. You can shop much like you would on any other online platform, adding items to your cart as you go. Temu offers a broad selection, so whether you're looking for the latest tech gadgets or the season's fashion trends, you'll likely find something to pique your interest. Here's where things get exciting. Temu frequently offers promotional events that allow you to receive free items either individually or as part of a larger cart. Keep an eye out for promotions labeled as free gifts or free cart. These special events can pop up in various forms. You might notice a free gifts tab right on the home page of the app. This is a great place to start exploring what's available for free. Another option to score free items comes in the form of engaging spin the wheel games. These are interactive and add a touch of fun to the shopping experience. By participating, you stand a chance to unlock free goodies. Additionally, Temu sometimes hosts invite friends challenges. By getting your friends to join, you not only introduce them to potentially great deals, but can also earn yourself some enticing rewards once you've found a promotion that interests you. Simply go to the free gifts or free cart section to join the event. Here, you'll be able to select the items you'd like, keeping in mind there may be a limit set by Temu on how many free items you can claim. It's worth noting that these promotions are time sensitive, so act quickly to ensure you don't miss out on the opportunity to grab your desired items without cost. And that's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to taking advantage of some fantastic offerings on the Temu app. Remember to check regularly for new promotions and always read the terms for each event to maximize your savings. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.